$10,000 per month on YouTube for free? Let's break it down. What if I told you that you could start a YouTube channel, create amazing content, and potentially make $10,000 a month without spending a single dollar? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's dive in. I know starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming. You might be thinking, do I need expensive equipment? Do I need to be a tech genius? What if I run out of ideas? Trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing. YouTube is one of the most accessible platforms out there. And with the right tools and strategies, you can turn your passion into a paycheck. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been thinking about starting a channel for a while, this video is for you. Step 1. Start your YouTube channel. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. The good news? It costs $0 to start one. Just sign up for a Google account, head over to YouTube, and create your channel. This is your foundation, so make sure your channel name reflects your niche and is something you're proud of. When I started my channel, I spent a lot of time brainstorming the perfect name. I wanted something that was catchy, easy to remember, and related to my content. So, take your time with this step. It's worth it. Step 2. Find video ideas using ChatGPT. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to brainstorm video ideas. Enter ChatGPT, your free AI brainstorming buddy. Simply type in a prompt like, "Give me 10 video ideas about your niche," and boom. You'll have a list of ideas in minutes. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to create. Consistency is key on YouTube, and having a list of video ideas ready to go will help you stay on track. Plus, ChatGPT can help you come up with unique angles that will make your content stand out. Step 3. Write your script in Google Docs. Next up, your script. A well-structured script is key to creating engaging, high-performing videos. And guess what? You don't need expensive software to write one. Just open Google Docs, it's free, easy to use, and automatically saves your work. Start drafting your script, and make sure it's clear, concise, and packed with value for your audience. Pro tip. Keep your audience in mind while writing. What problems are they facing? How can your video help solve them? The more value you provide, the more likely they are to stick around and subscribe. Step 4. Create voiceovers with 11 Labs. Want professional quality voiceovers without hiring a voice actor? 11 Labs has you covered. Their free plan lets you create amazing text-to-audio voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. Just paste your script, choose a voice, and download your audio. It's that simple. Voiceovers can add a layer of professionalism to your videos, and 11 Labs makes it easy even if you're not comfortable recording your own voice. Plus, it saves you time. Step 5. Design thumbnails on Canva. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab attention. But you don't need to be a graphic designer or spend money on expensive tools. Canva's free plan is perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails. It's beginner-friendly, with tons of templates to choose from. Just drag, drop, and customize. When designing your thumbnail, use bold text, bright colors, and a clear focal point. Think of it as a mini billboard for your video. It needs to stand out in a sea of content. Bonus tip. Stay organized with Miko app. Here's a bonus tip for staying productive. Use Miko, a distraction-free app for reading newsletters outside your inbox. It's perfect for keeping up with industry trends and inspiration without cluttering your inbox. Stay focused, stay inspired, and keep creating. As a YouTuber, staying organized and inspired is crucial. Miko helps you keep all your resources in one place, so you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing content. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to starting a YouTube channel and potentially making $10,000 a month, all without spending a dime. Remember, consistency is key. Start creating, keep improving, and who knows? You might just be the next big YouTuber. I know starting something new can be scary, but every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are right now. The only difference? They took action. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, and don't forget to celebrate every small win along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you're ready to start your YouTube journey, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your goals and cheer you on. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share.